It's brand. Watch it. Whoa. I landed. Yes. Oh shit.
Look, I know you pissed off. I ain't mean to dip off, but I had to dip off. Yeah, I had to dip off. I was busy running to that green like a kickoff. Now you ticked off, talking about I might get clipped on. Damn shorty, I'm like damn shorty. Why you tripping? I wasn't even your man. Shorty.
Yo guys, we're gonna welcome to today's vlog. We got Brand.
You.
We got him.
You don't even know my name.
That's wrong. Wait. Yeah, I forgot your name.
Raheem.
That's what I was gonna say that.
No, you weren't.
We got my bull, Ryan. Yeah, bro, it's hot as shit, bro. This bull's wearing a tank top. Wait, how hot is it outside right now?
It's like,
Well, the man Brand, tell us. It's like
88.
88. You sure you're not looking at your battery? Oh shit, 88 right now. So chopped. My bike being a hoagie right now. I need to go like tune this up a little bit. Like, it's not making my bottom bracket be making so many sounds. I look over it. Bro, what happened? What happened?
My iced tea.
Bro, I saw, like, I was just biking over and I saw like your bag start getting wet for no reason. Bro, look what happened to his bag. That's all wet. Oh shit. I could not swerve today. Oh yeah, Brand. See what it's Brand. Watch it. Whoa. I landed. Yes. Oh shit.
Yes, oh shit.
Yo.
What was that?
It was a plate or something.
Ah, we're good.
I thought your tire just exploded. Wait. Hey, Bobby. That scare you?
I thought you were on this side. I thought you were on my left.
Got the stuck on there, bro.
Wait, what?
I don't know.
How the f?
How did Nas do that? Alright, so
How did Nas do that?
Do you need one maybe
Look.
I don't need
What,
it.
you trying to do the spokes?
Yeah, but
Is
that's
this? It's this thing right here.
That's not the tool.
That's not the tool?
That's not the
Then what's
tool.
this?
That's something completely different. That's
Something to, bro,
Looks like
you don't
dick.
even make any sense right
Come
now.
here, bro.
You said some.
He sucks.
Is it recording? What is it?
It's recording.
Let me see.
It's recording.
Let me see.
How do I zoom in?
Let me see the camera.
How do I zoom in?
Ew.
Stop, I'm gonna show my bike.
Hey! Damn, you ugly as shit. Nigga. Annalie Chopper looking head ass, bro. Look at you. Bro, tell me this bull don't look like Annalie Chopper. You know, I know you look like Annalie Chopper too. Ugly ass bull. Look at the f***ing barring on this shit. I need a new grips. This shit is like, shit. That John. Cancel him,
The
bro.
fact that Nas is so ugly.
Just cancel him for being ugly, bro. Not for saying.
Bro, cancel the show for being.
I am a menace, smacking this balls like in tennis.
They violating you. He's a mighty duck.
So does, I don't want to say his name. I don't wanna say
Oh, he's about to violate. He's about to violate.
I don't. Should I say his name?
Yeah. Damn, he violated.
Hey, yo.
Hey, yo.
Eating pee, bro?
Oh, bro, I didn't know she was on.
You already know, Brand behind the cam.
Yeah. Alright, we got it! Damn! That boy is sus. Yeah, is that my guy? Yeah. Oh wait, what the dad hat? Wait, what the golf hat on? Oh,
How you know it's a golf hat?
cause I know all dads be wearing that. You know how being boss chase.
What you trying to say?
Trying to say, stepper.
Hey yo, wait.
Hey, yo.
Nah.
I said, what you trying to say, stepper?
What you say, EDP, bro? Don't even talk.
I
Yo, it's recording.
Nah, bro.
Yo.
What do you do?
He blew me a kiss.
Oh.
What? Yeah, I'm making a commercial. Day in the life of
You gotta keep
K.
spinning,
Dot
you
Trail.
gotta keep spinning around me.
Cinematics.
What'd you say?
Look how sexy he is.
Yo,
Sexy.
you heard that?
Let's get a close up of that.
I want to ride, so can we please ride?
That in the video.
Oh my God, look at him.
Annalie Chopper got no work.
Look, they got
He got no work.
new releases now.
Let me see some.
You better show you some work.
Oh. Yo, why you not in one way yet? That's one way.
Yeah, why am I not one way?
Why is Brandman not in one way though? That's the real question. Alright.
Oh, we gotta get snack.
Oh! Trying to 4K.
We out here,
Come on.
you know,
Come on.
vibes.
Come on. Nah. I'm gonna do it right after. Yeah.
Yeah, Avery.
What?
Yeah, Mike. Yeah, Mike.
Alright. Yeah, real shit. Oh.